Good morning, everyone. Today is August 24th, and we are about to start our trading day. Same thing that we've been running for the last 2 weeks. We're doing the exact same pullback strategy, and that is the same one that is found directly in our templates room over at TradeSaber.com. So if you sign up for a free trial or you're a lifetime member, just go to the Predix templates room. It's the very first one, the built-in simple pullback. And we have all the installation instructions right here for you. If you want to have a video that shows you exactly how to install it, just click on this watch video and it's going to show everything that you need in order to get started with this particular template. Now, keep in mind, guys, the Predator, like I always say, is just an order entry and management tool for NinjaTrader. It lets users create a variety of fully or semi-automated trading strategies. Just because I am personally running this pullback strategy does not mean you have to run this exact same thing. In fact, you can configure many different third-party indicators. You can automate really whatever you want with the Predator X. And with this pullback strategy, I'm just showing what I'm personally trading at the moment. So again, completely up to you if you want to follow this same strategy. Now, we do have, obviously, as you can see, something a little bit different going on today. Today, I am running a second account. And this one is actually from BluSky. Now, this second account is a little bit different than our regular evaluation accounts, our regular drawdown-based prop firms. So something like Lucid, we have what's called an end-of-day drawdown. So however much you go into profit, your drawdown is going to trail up by that amount. So let's say we start with a $50,000 account. Our drawdown is $48,000. We can't go below $48,000. But if we were to end the day, let's say at $51,000, now that drawdown becomes $49,000. It's going to trail up. If we go, let's say $52,000, now our new drawdown is $50,000. So we're always trailing up that drawdown, and we always have that risk, especially as many of you guys know who were following this strategy. On Friday, we did have a loser. So what ends up happening, even as we are making profit every single day, we had 8 winning days in a row. Because of that drawdown, we're always at risk of having 2 losers in a row and basically killing the account. Now, that is a risk that I am willing to take with this particular strategy because of the very high win rate. So for me anyways, because the way I look at it is we can only lose as much as the cost of the account. But our upside potential, if we were to pass and get a payout, one single payout can cover the cost of at least 10 accounts or 9 to 10 accounts. So for me, I am willing to risk at least 1 or 2 accounts for this particular strategy. Now, I know not everyone is going to have that same risk tolerance. Even if the upside is a bit higher, blowing an account to some people may not be psychologically something they want to do. So with this account over here, we're actually trading what's called a static account. And here we just got into a trade. I will talk about it in a second here. Now we are at break even on the Lucid. I think we got a little bit better fill. It doesn't matter. We hit our first profit target of the day. Anyways, as I was saying, what I have over here on the right-hand side is what's called a static account. Now, with static accounts, they are a little bit pricier, but the good thing about these is the drawdown actually never moves up, ever. So this particular account is a $200,000 account. So you start at $200,000. Our drawdown is still only $2,000, so $198,000. But the good thing about this one is as you go into profit, your drawdown, your stop out amount, stays at $198,000. So let's say we go up to $204,000. Instead of our drawdown moving up to $202,000 or $2,000 away, is still going to be at $198,000. And that way, even if we do have 1, 2, 3 losers, we are still protected for that drawdown. And guys, we've backtested this strategy. We've done market replay. There hasn't been two losers in a row, I think, in over 90 days. I'm not saying it's not going to happen. I'm just saying this greatly reduces that psychological risk of always fearing blowing an account with two losers in a row. Now, obviously, with these accounts, there is still going to be risk. I'm not saying these are the absolute perfect solution to everyone, but our biggest risk with this particular account lies on the very first day of the eval process and the very first day when you go to what they call a buffer zone. So yes, if you were to buy the account and lose twice in a row, then yes, obviously you're going to blow the account as you would with the 50K Lucid account as well. So that doesn't matter as much. And the other thing is the profit target for the evaluation process. This one, you do need to hit a profit target of $6,000. So you are going to be stuck in the evaluation process basically twice as long as you would with the regular 50K account. And then once you activate your buffer or funded account, then you're back at that risk level. So if you were to get two losers in a row once you move up, then yes, you will blow the account. And that's going to sting even more. But I believe with this particular account, if you do get to that buffer zone, you are able to reset your account at that buffer zone level. So after you pass the evaluation process, it is going to be a much higher fee, but at least you don't have to waste time with that eval process. Don't quote me on that. I'm fairly confident that's exactly what I read, but I may be wrong. I am still new to these BluSky accounts. I just got this one over the weekend. But if you guys do want to look into this particular account that I'm using, and I'm not trying to sell you anything, but if you are wanting to try this particular account with no drawdown, or no trailing drawdown, I should say, there is always some sort of drawdown. The account that I'm using is from BluSky. Right now, I'm using the launch account, the 200K static, and it's a Trade of 8 connection because we need to connect to NinjaTrader. And if you use code TradeSaber, you will save an extra $10 on this particular account. Now, this one does come with an activation fee once you do get funded or go to your buffer zone. So that activation fee is going to be an extra $179 if you do pass the evaluation process. So yes, it is going to be a little bit more expensive, about a little bit more than double what a 50K Lucid account would cost. But again, this is going to help protect against that drawdown. And like always, I'm not saying you have to trade with this account. I'm just showing exactly what I have on the chart because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions. Dre, what is this account? Where do I get it? How do I get it? But I just want to be as transparent as possible. That's why moving forward, we are going to see, I'm still going to be running the Lucid account. If we do fail, which we may fail this account, that's completely fine. But if we do fail, I will try maybe one or two more times on top of this one. And then with the BluSky, this one I will have to see how it performs. It is going to take us quite a while to get to that buffer zone as well. So I will see if we do fail this one. I'll have to see if we do try again on the BluSky. But so far, the way they were describing it, the way it sounds like the perfect solution to give us a little bit more wiggle room for those losing days. Anyways, I think I'm just going to let it play for a little while, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. So now, if this closes down, that's our entry right there. And not my favorite entry point, but we have also been trending down, so it's not too bad. But when it bounces like this, kind of comes around here, not my favorite point, but we should hopefully be okay. There we go. That's our second profit target of the day. we are done. We hit our profit goal, $500. And like always, go to our filter. We set our time filter, 9:30 to 4:45. Profit target of minimum $400 realized. And the Predator automatically shuts off. We don't have to do anything else. Now, guys, if you want a free trial of the Predator X, all you have to do, go to TradeSaber.com, sign up for a free account, and you will have access to everything the Predator X offers. You can try it out completely risk-free. There's no credit card signups. Just create the account. You're going to see a button right on your dashboard to start a free trial. And if you want to find even more content, or you have any questions at all, or just want to reach out to me, just join us on Discord. The link is going to be down below. I'm usually around to answer any questions. Or of course, you can DM me on Discord if you need, or email us support@tradesaber.com. I do try to reply to everyone. But with that said, again, all templates, everything you saw here is available directly on our website over at tradesaber.com. But I hope you guys found this useful. As always, take care. Enjoy.